water fasting benefits, why I fasted for 40 days on water, and why fasting can actually heal things that nothing can heal, and why a long water fast can be better than a short water fast. And where did I fast it? How do I fast it? Fasting essentials. So stay there until the end to learn more about fasting and how can you improve your health through simple, easy, free, that actually was born with the beginning of life on the planet. It's coeval to life itself. Hi, I'm Dr. Eduardo Corassa, a clinical nutritionist from Brazil that has saved his own life through lifestyle medicine called natural hygiene. And also, I'm happy to announce that 4 of my 10 books published in Portuguese are now translated to English and available on ebook and print on demand. So the hygienic fasting, nature surgery, the anti-cancer diets, the lifestyle that fights cancer, the Eden's diets, the guide to raw frugivorism, the original diets, and natural delicacies, cooking without a stove, are the perfect start for your new health journey, for a healthier, better, more longevity version of you. And unfortunately, because I teach lifestyle medicine, the podcast doesn't have any sponsors because there's no money in producing health. There's money in supplements, there's money in therapies, surgeries, treatments, but teaching lifestyle medicine, there is no company wanting to sponsor us. So I ask for your help for free. You can comment below, share the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button for notification. You help YouTube to deliver more our content to you and to other people. And I also provide consultations online and in private sessions. There is the raw food detox retreats here January and July in Rio de Janeiro. 4 blocks from a beautiful beach, a tennis court on the yard, 350 rare fruit trees, and the best education on lifestyle medicine in the world, in my humble, if I dare to say. And also 6 online courses, but they're still in Portuguese. So if you want to help the work grow, to help other people, and also help yourself, I highly suggest you to go in the description below for our website or for our WhatsApp. I will ask our editor to put here the recipes from the retreat. Besides the culinary, there's the practical application and also the scientific lectures. I hope you like the video. So, almost 20 years ago, I was in a path to heal myself. I was a sick child, suffered a lot of health issues, and when I was 17, I became one of the best Counter-Strike players in the world. So from 17 to 22, I ate all the junk food you can imagine. I did small recreational drugs. I was sedentary, obese, sleeping late, having the worst lifestyle habits you can ever imagine. So I developed a lot of chronic diseases, diabetes, back pain, herniated discs, and a lot of other stuff. And then I understood, I started searching for answers. I went to the best medical doctors in Brazil and I didn't believe them. They were all about pills and surgery and they didn't look healthy. They didn't explain me why I was sick and what could I do to reverse this sickness. I was like, I'm just 22 years of age. Should I be sick for my whole life? Should I, I was born wrong? Should we be sick so early in life? I didn't thought so. I thought it was something wrong happening and I went searching for answers that could actually serve me better than just cutting myself with a knife, with a surgeon and, following the usual path. And then, God bless, my intuition, my curiosity, and my questions, my never-ending questions for answers and for solutions. And then I stumbled upon natural hygiene. Natural hygiene is a system of health that believes that health is produced by healthful living. Was created in America 200 years ago, and they were proponents of fasting. Not just fasting, but a frugivore diet, and a healthy lifestyle, when nobody knew about it, when nobody was talking about it, when there's no scientific literature about it, they were already recommending, talking, and influentiating people to it. So natural hygienists have been supervising water fasts for 200 years. And then I was happy to stumble upon the work of Dr. Herbert Shelton, and he supervised more than 40,000 water fasts. And I kept for a few years listening to his audios, reading his books, and that led me to where I am today. After 6 months of starting a frugivore diet, I did a 24-day water fast, and it was one of the best things that ever happened to me. It was such a profound, healing, magical, miraculous process that, it changed my life forever. And then highly motivated to teach healthful living and to spread this natural hygiene message. So along these 19 years, I practiced several long water fasts. I have been doing intermittent fasting for almost 18 hours per day, every day for almost 20 years now. And after doing several long water fasts, like 24 days, 23 days, 19 days, 15 days, and a lot of other shorter versions, 3 years ago, wanted to do a 40-day water fast. Why? Because Herbert Shelton usually suggested that water fasts are the most profound way of healing in his own experience. He supervised more than 40,000 water fasts in his whole life, and he saw things that nobody in this planet ever saw. And he could swear to God and he could show results that his methods were right. And in one of his audios, people were asking him, and he says I put him on 10-day water fast. If he isn't healed, I give him 20 days. And if he isn't healed, I give him 30 days. If he isn't healed, I give him 40 days. No, he was not in jail. He was in my place. He was joking about it in one of his lectures. And he threw out his books and lectures. You can see that he suggests what natural hygiene nowadays believes. The longer the fast, the deeper is the healing. And I'm not suggesting you to do water fast by your own. And I'm not suggesting that we already have scientific details of this regeneration process being more profound, being more precise, more healing with a longer water fast. But it's what I have seen in my own body. The longer my fast, the more he can have time to repair damage from my past. So this 40-day water fast that I did around 3 years ago on Tanglewood actually helped me more than all my other water fasts combined, in my humble opinion. Although probably were more than 150 days, just one water fast of 40 days helped me more than all others. I don't know why exactly. It seems that the more the body is able to get into this fasting mode and repair, the deeper he goes and the deeper he can regenerate. We still don't have science for it. Now we're going to talk about where to fast and why to do a longer fast, right? So this 39-day water fast that I did almost 3 years ago was on Tanglewood Wellness Center on Costa Rica. I think Lauren Lockman, the supervisor, the owner of the place, has closed the place right now and he has come back to United States. He still works supervising water fast, but I think at distance, online. He is a great person. He's a frugivore for more than 30 years now, but he's not a medical doctor. So as a nutritionist that I have to apply to Brazil's laws about it, I can only recommend people to do water fast under medical supervision. So Tanglewood was a great experience for a lot of stuff because the weather of the Costa Rica is our natural weather for human beings, right? The tropics. The fruits in Costa Rica is unbelievably good, and the environment that he creates there, they don't use Wi-Fi. You have to connect your internet through cable. Have a huge area for people to sleep and to stay while fasting, like couches and big chairs, really cozy and comfortable. I used to wake up around 6 a.m., used to, 8 a.m., still work on the PC a little bit and then go to the main area where I interact with other people, drink some water and wait a little bit for the lectures. Lauren always gave like 2 lectures a day in the beginning of the morning, and then they were checking our blood pressure and vital signs every day. You know, we always talk to him a little bit each day. And then I used to come back to my room, drink more water. I was drinking like 2 to 3 liters of water a day, sometimes even more because he asked, but I don't agree with that much water, right? But still, it was an impressive feature. You know, you have to be impressive, motivated in your head to stand by for 39 days on water. I never managed to do it at home, actually. And I don't recommend you to do at home. I did most of my fast at home because I didn't have money back then. I couldn't go out to the country to a fasting clinic, so I did most of my fast alone with family around, right? But it is way much better to do in a fasting clinic where you are, you know, among other people and for sure being supervised. But the problem with Tanglewood is that there is no medical supervision. In legal terms, you know, we have to be strict about medical supervision. So that's why I talked a little bit about Tanglewood. That is actually a possibility, was a possibility back then, but now I'm going to talk about the other 2 centers that are supervised, that is Butch and Wilhelm and True North Health Center. True North Health Center is in California, so the CEO of True North is Dr. Alan Goldhammer. He's doing this for more than 30 years now. They supervise more than 30,000 people along these 30, 40 years they are open. They're open in California, but they are medically supervised. They have a good fasting facility, you know, like it's not expensive. As far as I know, it was $150 per day in fasting over there. It depends on where you live, right? For Brazilians, that is really expensive. For Americans, I don't think it's that much, right? They supervise water fast from a week to maybe 40 days on water, and they don't like to go way beyond 40 days. Herbert Shelton actually suggested that he supervised water fast for 90 days, even 100 days, and even Lauren Lockman supervised a patient that had like a testicular cancer that he fasted for more than 3 months, like something like that, right? So, but for sure, the person was obese, has a lot of body fat reserves, right? But that is dangerous. Dr. Alec Burton from Australia, that is actually the teacher of Dr. Goldhammer, used to say that after 40 days, they didn't sleep. So he didn't like to continue after 40 days of water fast because we know it can be done, right? But it's dangerous because it was not the patient that didn't sleep. It was actually the fasting supervisor that got scared of the patient dying or having some kind of issue. All these fasting clinics don't like to go even to 40 days, but they don't never pass 40 days on water. And I don't suggest you to do even a more than 1 day water fast at home. Not even 1 day, you know. What I can recommend as a nutritionist is just an intermittent fasting. So True North issues is for sure, they are in the middle of a city, so it's not as quiet place as it should be because it's a medical fasting facility, you know, it's quite big, etc. It's a little bit different than Tanglewood in this aspect because Tanglewood has a lot of fruit trees around, you know, a pool. It's quite a beautiful place, more tropical countryside place. True North, I never went there. I plan to go there in a short while, but they are the most famous hygienist fasting center nowadays, and you know, the most professional one for sure. But the refeeding process, it doesn't happen only with raw foods. And as a raw foodist, for sure, I believe that we are frugivores, and I believe that the perfect refeeding part after a fast should be done with fruits and vegetables. And they will include grains, tubers, and things like that, right? But they will remain more in a frugivore diet before the fast and in the few days after the fast, right? But for sure, you will not probably have the fruit variety and the organic as in Tanglewood we actually had back then. And for sure, the third fasting center is Butch and Wilhelm. Is a fasting center in Spain and in Germany that actually has a protocol according to Butch and Wilhelm, a medical doctor from that a long time ago was ill and he started like fasting, and he discovered the fasting cure, and he actually applies a different protocol of fasting than us hygienists. It's not just a water fasting. They include 250 calories from honey and from other substances, honey, vegetable broth, and tea and some things like that, right? So it's not a hygienic fast. I think a hygienic fast is the ideal form of fast, but for sure, just this natural, this semi-fast, this really strong caloric restriction and protein restriction, we went providing quite similar benefits to the hygienic water fast, but still not the same. So you have these three main options in the planet, right? For sure, there are other fasting clinics, but these three are the most famous one, and True North and Butch and Wilhelm actually published the results of their patients in the scientific literature, in scientific papers, right? So they have a lot of experience with patients with water fast. So if you're looking to heal yourself and you're not having the proper results that you expected with intermittent fasting or a natural hygiene lifestyle, you should consider a water fast. If you see that you need a greater healing, you should consider talking to these fasting supervisors, these fasting clinics, to do a longer water fast, because you probably benefit a lot, the same as I did. My back, my jaw bones, a lot of things changed in this last 39 water fast that did not change in the other ones. So I have to say it was a blessing to be able to fast on Tanglewood. I have to thank Lauren for that. There's actually a fasting documentary on his channel, and I will post the same one here on my channel so you guys can watch it, enjoy it, and actually learn from it. Learn from the experience of my life, from my last 20 years studying natural hygiene and living natural hygiene. I'm pretty sure that we will still have scientific data on the future, but that fasting is the ultimate healing process. There's a lot of things to talk about it, and I have been publishing videos about fasting on this channel. I have dozens, maybe 100 videos of fasting on my main channel, but it's too extensive to talk about details on the scientific literature. I can only highly recommend you to read my main book, Hygienic Fasting Nature Surgery, and also to read The Eden's Diet. Both are available on Amazon, because when you read both books, you understand why to fast, how to fast, and why the diet matters before the fast and after the fast, or else you're going to damage your fasting benefits and lose them quite fast if you don't understand that health is produced by healthy living and not just by fasting on its own. Fasting is not a panacea, as Dr. Herbert Shelton used to say. So I hope you enjoy the video. You can use my knowledge that I've been dedicated for this for 20 years, use as a benefit to your own health. Understanding which center should you choose, and a little bit of my own experience that I highly recommend you to watch the whole documentary that's already on this channel as well. But for sure, in my humble opinion, the longer the fast, the longer the benefits. But the longer the fast, the more sensitive, the more dangerous, I wouldn't say dangerous, but the more caution should you approach it. So that's why if you are looking for a water fast, you should look for a medical supervised, hygienic, preferably, water fast institution. So if you like the video and you like our work, please don't forget to share the video, comment below, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button for notification. And also, if you want my help as a clinical nutritionist, I can help you through consultation, online and in private sessions. My 4 published books, you can access them through the links below. And also, come for a retreat in Brazil here with us, and there's the online courses that will still be translated to English. And if you also want to help our work, you can become a member of the channel for a small donation every month. Click these videos to know more, and remember, health is produced by healthful living. Much frugal health. See you next time.